This video in regards with the Indian passport renewal in US through VFS, specifically regarding the address details. Yes, you can give the passport printable address, primary address as US address, then you would have to give the secondary address as Indian address, because it is compulsory. One US address and one Indian address needs to be given. In your case, is your passport printable address out of India? Since you want to give US address, you need to click yes. Okay. Then when you have given that passport printable address out of India, then it is asking you the country name. You need to enter US over here. Then the address line 1, you need to enter the city name over here. Then enter mobile number, enter your email address, now in the other address details, it is compulsory to give Indian address because the primary address is US address. So is your other address out of India? So the answer here is not yes, it is no, because you want to give Indian address over here. When you are trying to give the Indian address, it will assume that the country is India. So it is not going to show you the field which is called as region field, and there is no question of having region equal to India, because the system is assuming that it is India, because your answer is no over here. So basically enter the Indian address, then finally here the Indian city, Indian state, and Indian district, Indian pin code, and Indian police station which is closer to your Indian address. I hope this video is helpful.